Anova, step-by-step guide with proper explanation for beginners to conduct research. What is Anova? Anova is a statistical method to test the variance or differences between the means of 3 or more groups. Anova stands for analysis of variance. Anova can blend in linear and nonlinear models. It used to determine whether or not there is a statistically significant differences between means of 3 or more independent groups. The two most common type of Anova are one-way Anova and two-way Anova. In Anova, there are two components of effect such as experimental effect and error, experimental and individual differences. Anova involves categorical independent variables. Anova neglects the influence of covariates. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.